Hello guys, this is Sido and this is pre-training video number 2, and now we're gonna create a part. Okay, um, so basically just I opened up a part and now I will just change the name of the part. uh, Maybe I can just name it engine 2. So um, so I'm not going to be talking too much. I'm just going to go ahead and show you basically the process that we go through. This is the tree and this is the X and Y and Z. We have to select one of them. So now we switch to the sketcher workbench. So this is where you make your drawing for the 2D. So you make any kind of a 2D, two-dimensional drawings, and then after we finish that, we just gonna create it. We're gonna make it real 3D. So in here now, let's just make some quick dimensioning. So I just picked the axis, and I just made some. I have some dimensioning information that I had it before. I used it. So now let me just do this. So we don't really. It doesn't matter how much millimeter or the dimension. In this case, I'm just gonna show you. Okay, just so. Okay, now this is the toolbars. Okay, so all this area on your right, those are the toolbars, and there's also some of them on the top. Okay, so we're just gonna make, okay, kind of a curve. It's kind of like a half circle. Okay, so also we just need to get the radius of this. I want to get the exact radius of this, and just maybe give it some dimension. Okay, so that looks okay. Looks good to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this since I got what I need. Okay, so let me. This is the mirror icon, the mirror. So basically, I just don't. I mean, instead of creating what I just did, I'm just gonna do a mirror of what I have. So just to save some time, basically. Okay, so I want to do the exact one without thinking about it. So I'm just gonna do another axis, so I can use that to make the mirror of that. So select that and select the mirror icon, then the axis, then it will make the second curve. Okay, so now you can delete that if I need it. If probably I don't need that anymore. Now, if you notice, there's two center points. This is for each half circle that you see there. I'm just gonna make it on top each other. So, next time I don't have to be confused on it. You may see that later. Understand this. So, I'm gonna make the sides now. So I'm just gonna connect from one point to one point. It's just a line, or you can use the portfolio toolbar and connect from one point to the other end of the point. Now you can just hit escape to get rid of this, or actually you can go to the portfolio and double click on it, and don't worry about the details. We'll talk about that later. Maybe I'm moving fast, but I apologize. It's just an overall this. Now, okay, I'm gonna make the dimension. Then, just gonna pick. Okay, I'm gonna make the radius. What I'm trying to do here, I'm just doing the constraints, and if the constraint is green, that means it's good, So that means basically that side is not gonna move; it's gonna be moving along with it. So if you see this one is that this means the color is purple, so this means it's over constrained, so that's not good. So basically, alright, so now I'm done with my sketch, the 2D sketch. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just trying to make the whole sketch is green, the constraint. That means it's gonna be fixed in that area. So when I go to my 3D view, it will not move around, you know. So now you see this, everything is green, so which is means it's perfect. So let me go outside and to the I just exit out. Now this view is the 3D. This is where we make our 3D of view. So we're just gonna make okay, this is our pad. So this is the shape that I have. Okay, so I just picked the length. Is you select the shape or the sketch that I just created, and then you just put your dimensions information. So this kind of stuff we will talk in detail later. Okay, don't worry about it. So this is how it looks like. This is the shape that I did. Now this is the pad that comes out, and I will talk about later on next video.